have some
Yeah, nice to meet you.
interview. So may kababayan tayo dito sa Canada. And this is from Saskatchewan. And what's your name and where you came from?
Okay, my name is Sarina May Faigmani. So, I'm from Nueva Ecija, San Leonardo. So, hi po sa mga taga San Leonardo,
Mga San
Nueva
Leonardo.
Ecija. So,
Alright, that's good. So, how long you been in Canada po?
4 years and 4 years and a half.
4 years and a half, that's
Mhm.
good. So, you've been here for like 2019.
2019, yeah.
2019, that's
June
good.
20, 2019.
So, my next question is, what's your point of entry dito sa Canada? So, paano ka nag-process?
So, actually, hindi ako yung nag-process. Yung husband ko, nag-wait sila, I think it's 4 years bago sila ma-PR. After that,
Oh, that's cool.
umuwi siya ng Pilipinas para sa wedding namin. Nagpakasal kami. After the wedding, bumalik siya dito. Then, after a month pa, bago niya i-process yung papers namin. So,
Oh, that's good. So, yung after niya mag-married, gaano katagal yung process ng papers mo?
1.5 year?
1.5 year din. So, it's good process or you guys are have any struggle dun sa ano yung process?
I think so. It's smooth
I
kasi,
think so.
yeah, kasi ano siya syempre maraming nag-a-apply as a,
Di lang
PR
naman
or
ikaw yung nag-apply.
sponsorship,
Right, that's
so-
right. That's right.
yung mga requirements or yung mga papers like yung conversation namin sa Facebook, Remitly, or yung mga pictures
Oh.
namin sa, ayun, kung pinopost niya ako as a
Kung meron kayong
spouse,
relationship
slash
talaga
lahat
or
yun. And
yeah.
then, in-interview pa ako after noon. So, sa immigration sa Makati, sa Pilipinas.
Oh, sa Philippines
And
din.
then, sabi nga sa immigration, may mga bumabagsak daw talaga sa interview. So, thank God kasi isa kami sa mga, ayun, pumasa.
Oh, sarap. That's good. Wow, that's awesome. So, how much did you pay for ano, for
Sa akin kasi wala ako sa Pilipinas.
On
Kasi
your
siya
behalf,
yung
wala.
yeah, kasi siya yung nag-process. So, hindi ko lang,
nag-agency ba siya or
hindi, siya mismo.
oh,
Direct
that's
siya na
good. He's
nag-process.
been like so smart, eh.
Mhm. So,
I think pag agency kasi, you have to pay for
yeah, extra.
extra. I remember nung sa other ano ko is 8,500. So, $8,500 and it's a lot of money. And I think your husband is smart and then kuripot, no?
Yes,
May pagkakuripot
absolutely.
siya. May pagkalahing ano mo. So, what do you love about being in Canada? So, ano yung mga nagustuhan niyo po dito sa Canada?
Marami akong nagustuhan. So, first yung, syempre kasi parang ano na kami dumating dito. So, fall or summer, like that. So, ipinasyal niya muna kami sa magagandang place sa Canada.
So,
Hindi pa
that's the
lahat,
view.
so,
That's the
yeah,
view.
yung view, and
Okay.
then the health card, benefits, lahat.
Kung
So,
health benefits.
child benefits, napakalaking tulong yun sa pang-araw-araw. So, yun.
That's good. And then, if you have any problem dito sa health natin,
Yeah, lahat free.
if you have cancer,
Or
ano ba yung mga surgery,
surgery.
you don't pay anything, right?
No.
That's good. And that's kabaliktad sa Philippines. Although
Yes.
Philippines meron naman sila mga free, but Canada is giving you everything.
Yeah, we're
And
happy.
then also kapag nawalan ka ng work, you still have money from the government, diba? That's good. 80% of your salary mabibigay
Depends,
nila
yeah.
sa'yo. That's a good thing. And yun lang yung so view and then yung health benefits.
Yeah, kay
How about the
Ate,
people?
oo naman. So, depende naman
And
sa
also
akin.
if you have a kid and you
Yeah.
still have child
benefits.
benefits,
Malaking tulong.
malaking
Kay
tulong
Ate.
din. That's good.
So, marami. Adjustment, and then, yeah, maganda naman dito. Sa mga tao naman na makakasama mo. So, depende sa'yo yun. So, ayun.
So, bumati ka muna sa pamilya natin, sa pamilya mo sa Pilipinas, baka nanonood.
O, yun na nga mga kababayan. Hi po sa inyong lahat. So, Sana po makarating din kayo dito kung sino man yung nangangarap na pumunta dito. Tiwala lang, tsaka kailangan mag-pray tayo. So, ayun. Kung meron naman po kayo talagang pangarap sa buhay, i-ano nyo po, i-push nyo lang yung goal mo. Siyempre kasama si Lord. So, yun. Wag kang mag-give up. Kita mo kami.
That's
So,
good.
ayan, tsaka yun, pa-subscribe naman po sa nag-interview sa akin ngayon. Yung asawa ko, so.
Maawa kay John. So if you want to know more about dito sa Canada, sa mga Pilipino na nakasama natin, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming interview dito sa mga Pilipino, kung paano yung process nila, paano yung paghihirap, and paano, sacrifices sometimes, but kung paano yung pagiging success story ng ibang Pilipino dito sa Canada. And yun lamang po. So, this been Joe, or with a E and L.
And
Kuya
Maya.
Joe and Maya.
Yeah.
So
Bye-bye.
bye guys. Happy New
God
Year.
bless. Happy New Year.